Hey there, Holly and Mike Marquette from Applied Concepts doing our 5-minute encore from our
It'll
webinar.
be quicker than 5.
All right, well, we'll promise 5, we'll try to do it in less, right? Over promise, no, wait, it's under promise, over deliver.
Click to close. Here we
All
go.
right, let's do it. All right, so in Click to Close, we covered 3 main agenda points. We talked about specific friction points for dealers and how they cause various fail points. We talked about the illusion of effort and how that impacts your follow-up processes and your customer communication. And then we gave away some free stuff. So what is the problem and why are we even doing this webinar? Well, the problem is the average dealer only engages with 30% of their new leads. That said, there's still hope because top performing dealers engage with 70% of their leads. So where do dealers go wrong? Well, we have a lot of multi-channel mayhem and it's not working. We have these systems and these processes and all of these different things in place that we paid for, that we are supposed to manage and operationalize. And unfortunately, it's just causing a lot of friction and what we would consider as mayhem overall. So where's the disconnect? 3 areas of friction points. They boil down to technology friction, process friction, and communications friction. So, Mike, why don't you talk a little bit about technology friction for the
Yeah,
audience?
top performers find a way to pay attention to the 100 little things that are customer engagement, customer experience. From your hours of operation on Google, 50% of Google listings are wrong, to what you have on your service sites. Is it the right service items? Is it too many? KBB, we took it off. Ugh, but it's still there. The link is there. We forgot to put our form up. Simple little things like not being able to leave a phone number. Even as many times your customers put a valid number in, the form thinks it's not right. It's funny when it's not your dealership, but you need to find the time to click through every digital retail, every website form, every Google listing, and call yourself. Call a T-Mobile phone, AT&T phone, a Verizon phone. As recent as March of 2025, the carriers can overwrite whatever name you pass them and put in spam or unknown caller or just a phone number. It depends on if they think it's a valid call or not. You're doing the right things, but you need to test it. And when you need help, we can help you get you in touch with the right people at the carriers and also text enable your legacy landlines. What's the difference? 30% improvement in engagement. I'm not going to answer a phone I don't recognize.
All right, so let's then talk about or move to process and communication friction. So what you're looking at is a pretty busy slide that breaks down to simply one point, and that is this was a real live interaction over the course of 2 days, 5 human outreaches, plus 1 bot, and 9 messages. And unfortunately, even through all that activity, no one answered this customer's question. Pretty simple question. How do I apply my trade to the deal I'm building online? Yet we go through all of this effort, all this messaging, essentially spamming our customer with all of this communication and not answering the question. So more does not equal better. If you have a follow-up process, audit that follow-up process. Audit your CRM for redundancy, for role confusion. Use messaging that moves the deal forward. Ditch the following up. No one wants a message that says just following up. Have them take action, give them something of value. Put yourself in the shopper's shoes. Actually get in there, audit your CRM, look at all those messages and think, hey, would this be of value to me? Is this communication doing something that moves and motivates the customer, or is it just causing noise? Great news, you can do it yourself. We gave you a roadmap to improving and getting that engagement level to that 70% benchmark. A lot of areas there that you can break down and focus on specific to the areas that you'd like to start on the fastest. And then if you don't want to do it yourself, we have a $99 offer where we'll do it for you. We will help you fine tune those 100 micro moments and actually do this assessment, meet with you, consult with you on the results, and give you your own custom action plan for $99. If you want to move forward with the trial offer, you don't like it, don't pay for it. If you like it, we'll keep doing it.
Do it once a month to maximize customer engagement. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.